Today we'll talk about Agentic AI. So not all organizations move at the same speed when it comes to adopting Agentic AI. And the difference isn't just about technology, it's about leadership. How? I'll give you 3 examples. I've worked with a lot of different customers on AI projects. Now, one example is a large steel manufacturer. They've already deployed 50 plus Agentic AI bots across their operations. Why? Because there was a CEO level sponsorship driving that agent. Compare that with a very similar high-tech manufacturer, same scale, but they're still stuck debating between agentic AI frameworks like LangChain, Brew AI, no decision yet, no clear direction, no ownership yet. Another financial services firm, while they have debated and finalized their tool and technology, they're trying to onboard a few data scientists. They want to upgrade their RPA bots to agentic AI. But onboarding the data science talent and getting them access to LLMs and so on is itself taking so many months. So just delaying every other use case downstream. So what's the key difference? The key difference is executive intent. So when innovation is a boardroom agenda, things move. But when it's just grassroots enthusiasm, ideas just say in slide decks. So if you want to move in fast in AI, it's not just about tools, it's about top-down commitment. It's about a bias for action. At Apexon, we help accelerate this journey. We provide AI centers of excellence support to conceptualize use cases, to establish ROI for those use cases, to build them, do quick prototypes, productionize them, and help maintain them as well, end-to-end services. Contact us to know more.